So, we took a little break from the office because it was super hot, and so we came up with a little solution. And you're about to see what that is. Hopefully it works. We don't know if it's gonna work yet, but I have a good feeling that it does. I mean, how do you feel about that?
I'm pretty confident.
Okay,
Confident.
let's go check it out.
Honestly,
I think it worked. It feels a little better in here.
I mean, just barely.
Just barely.
It went from 85 to 80.
Yeah.
Non-tolerable.
And it's only because there's a constant breeze.
Yeah.
I mean, think about this throughout the whole day though. It might, over time, keep this room cooler. You know, because
just keep it consistently.
Because it's probably gonna take a little bit before it actually makes a difference. But that was our solution, because the landlord here, or whatever her role is, I don't know, is kind of a jerk. And we told her about the problem, that it's super hot in here, and she's like, oh, well, we can't do anything about it. She didn't even say sorry.
She was nicer today.
Nicer?
Yeah, I talked to her about it. She was like, yeah, like there's people that are super cold over here and then we're really hot. She's like, yeah, it's a problem. Like, we're trying to get it fixed.
So she actually sympathized with us.
Actually sympathized, yeah.
Okay, well, the first time she just didn't feel it, no empathy whatsoever, and we're like,
yeah.
You are kind of a jerk.
But I feel like the only reason why she was sympathetic was because of how I approached it. Like, you can't give her any. Hey, our AC is just, it's just not, it's not working.
You can't give her that alley.
It's 80 degrees in here, you know, it's hot. We paid them. If you give her anything other than that, you're gonna get a daggers in the eyes.
So we're headed to a customer's house, but I want to get the train again. Train. Here it comes. Oh, it's a big one. Look at that. It's giant. Wow. So we are on our way. Well, this guy's whistling to pick up money for this dude. Hopefully this guy will make some money today. Look at that serious face. It is just pure intensity. It's crazy.
My pitch count sounds a lot higher in my left ear than most people.
In other words, it's telling you to shut up.
That's the car alarm.
So we just got done with viewing the customer on the metal roof. Sadly, we didn't pick up any money today, but it is a done deal for sure.
Easy future.
Did you go that way?
Don't want to get pulled over. Yeah, I'm gonna take 35 so I can hit the office and grab my lunch.
Runch.
My lunch.
Get brunch going.
Yeah, you know these guys. They got a sunroof or a sunroom that they're trying to put in, and
another extension to the home.
Another extension to the home, and so it's like we got to do that first before we do the roof. Blah blah blah.
So that's why we have to wait.
But we gotta wait.
Otherwise, they're sold, and this guy will be getting some money within the next week. So it's gonna be good. It's done. It's done. Leveling up the vlog. Oh. The vlog game. Got my SLR on lock. Being able to put it on my phone and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Chris's face. Look at it. Yeah. This isn't good for vlogging because I don't have a viewfinder that flips out, so.
I'm at the watering hole!
Wario!
I'm at the watering hole, can't you see? You can't mess with an animal while it's in its prime habitat, the watering hole, you.
I got a black magic woman. Alright.
Black magic woman.
Wow. So we're done for the day. Check out our office. I don't think we've actually done a tour of the office. Check this out. This is the conference room. What? What are you laughing at?
What? Nothing.
You're laughing at me for some
We
reason.
don't have to participate in every video.
Well, this is about us.
Oh. Well, you're just giving them the Gran Torino, man. Let's keep it up, dude. See you later.
Alright, well, we're done with the day. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and do the things you do on the internet. We'll be making videos every single day other than Saturday and Sunday. Do it! Do it!